Solar cleaning. Let's talk about it. Hello everyone, I'm Sheldon. Today, I want to share with you our PhiCleaner robot and its personnel safety advantages in distributed solar cleaning. Compared to other solar cleaning devices in the market, our strengths are primarily reflected in 5 aspects. First major advantage: personnel stand in a fixed position for safety. Our PhiCleaner robot has full autonomous cleaning capabilities. Personnel only need to assist in managing the water pipes easily. So when cleaning rooftop power stations, personnel can stand in a secure position, especially for PV power stations, where there are no designated safety spots for personnel to stand. Personnel with PhiCleaner can stand below the access port, without the need to climb onto the roof to complete the cleaning. Second major advantage: significantly reduced personnel movement distance. Other devices on the market require personnel to constantly follow the equipment, which be dangerous in distributed rooftop environments. The rooftop of distributed solar are slippery to walk when cleaning. Some steel tile power stations may even have fallen into disrepair over the years, making it hazardous in everywhere. So reducing personnel movement is crucial. As the greater the distance traveled, the higher the risk. Third major advantage: effortlessly handle dangerous edge cleaning. Now people have realized the importance of frame cleaning, which not only increases power generation, but also eliminates heat spot hazards. However, other devices require personnel to follow them to the edges, posing a high risk of falling. PhiCleaner, on the other hand, does not require personnel to follow. The robot autonomously cleans, easily solving the pain points of dangerous edge cleaning. Fourth major advantage: personnel don't need to work at heights. For high power stations like carport power stations, other devices require personnel to stand on elevated vehicles for operation. This not only poses a high risk of working at heights, but also makes the job difficult for personnel. PhiCleaner robot can clean autonomously, while personnel only need to manage the water pipes on the ground, significantly reducing the risk of falls from heights. Fifth major advantage: reducing personnel accidents through workforce reduction is the fundamental solution. The more personnel in the cleaning team, the higher the accident rate, and the higher the management costs, especially during the rush to generate electricity phase. PhiCleaner has changed the strategy of relying on a large number of personnel, significantly reducing the probability of personnel accidents. Cleaning the solar panels. PhiCleaner is the good helper. I'm Sheldon. See you next time.